Hello everyone, hope you're having a great day today. So I decided to make a video on a GUI that I had to make for one of my classes, for my class final. And the idea I came up with was a way to contribute to companies and in return get a share of the profits, like quarterly or annually at the end of the year when it all comes in, when it's all been tallied up. Now, none of these numbers are actual numbers. They're all just made up numbers. But the information is kept in these Excel spreadsheets. I have all the company's information in this one. Got Tesla, Google, Microsoft, Apple, and then UAB, which is the school. And this is the user profile spreadsheet. Now, it's not completely finished because this one does not update, so that's not completed, but it still works enough to get the point across. So if I hit run here, it'll load it up. Now I will type in username and password for one of the profiles, hit login, and it will open a second page eventually. There it is. Now you can click on one of these and then it changes up here. Let's start with Tesla. So you hit select company and it pulls up their information from this spreadsheet here. Now, how it works is it takes the revenue and the total contributions, puts that together, subtracts expenses, and then that's the total profit. Now, once you have the total profit, it's going to take your donation. So let's say you donated $800. It takes your donation, adds it to total contributions, and then updates total profits. And then from total profits, it takes the keep percentage out of that. That's what the company keeps. Now what's left over is distributed to the contributors. So it takes your donation, compares it to total contributions to get a percentage. Now based off of your percentage of contribution, that's the amount that you get from the total payout. So this would be your total return from that. Now this right here, total returns down here, would be your total returns from each one that you donated to, but this one doesn't update, so this one's not completed yet. So if we go to let's do UAB. Now you notice their total profits are a lot lower and their keep percentage is a lot higher. You see their total contributions is almost all of their total profits. So if you donate the same amount to this school, you're not going to get anywhere near as much. So you only get 482 from them, and you donated 800. So it's not as much of a return there. But if the school did really well, I mean, you would get more. But yeah, as you can see, the total returns doesn't update because this spreadsheet doesn't update. It's still work in progress. So that's the basic concept of it. And you can pull up other ones. Microsoft keeps 25%. They don't have a lot of contributions. Oh, and somebody's here. So just tell me what you think.